The question is, in Mendel's experiments, tall pea plants capital T are dominant over dwarf pea plants small t. A. What is the phenotype and genotype of F1 generation if homozygous tall plant is crossed with a homozygous dwarf plant? B. Draw a Punnett square board to show the gametes and offsprings when both the parents are heterozygous for tallness. C. What is the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio of the above cross in B? D. State Mendel's law of dominance. E. What is a dihybrid cross? Let's answer the A part. What is the phenotype and genotype of F1 generation if a homozygous tall plant is crossed with a homozygous dwarf plant? So here we have the phenotype and genotype of F1 generation. We know that parents are homozygous tall and homozygous dwarf, that is capital T for homozygous tall and small t for homozygous dwarf. When these parents are crossed, the offspring will have genotype capital T small t, that is heterozygous. The phenotype is that all F1 plants will be tall because tallness is the dominant trait, and the genotype is heterozygous, that is capital T small t. Now let's answer the B part. Draw a Punnett square board to show the gametes and offsprings when both the parents are heterozygous for tallness. Heterozygous means capital T small t, and both the parents are heterozygous means both are capital T small t. Here we have the Punnett square for heterozygous cross. So these are the gametes, and here we have the possible combination of genotype in the offsprings. So we have one capital T, two capital T small t, and one small t. Next is, what is the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio of above cross in B? So in B, we get a phenotypic ratio of 3 tall is to 1 dwarf, that is capital T, and 2 capital T small t are the tall ones, whereas 1 small t is the dwarf one. Next is genotypic ratio. Genotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1, 1 capital T, 2 capital T small t, and 1 small t. Next is state Mendel's law of dominance. Here we have Mendel's law of dominance. This law states that when two contrasting alleles of a gene are present together in a heterozygous condition, only one allele expresses itself phenotypically, masking the expression of other allele. The expressed allele is called dominant allele, while the masked allele is called recessive allele. In this case, capital T is the dominant allele and small t is the recessive allele. Next is, what is a dihybrid cross? A dihybrid cross involves crossing two individuals that differ in two traits. For example, a cross between a plant with round yellow seeds and a plant with wrinkled green seed would be dihybrid cross because two characters are studied, that is seed shape and seed color. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.